This is a Javelin missile. Much in the same way farmers buy cats to eradicate a growing rodent population in the barn, Ukrainians introduced the non-native Javelin species into their country to control the invasive Russian tank. Like cicadas, periodically Russian tanks gather en masse to infest Ukrainian towns, wreaking havoc along the way. And like other unevolved creatures, Russian tanks only understand violence. And this is where the Javelin excels. Their arrival changes everything. Slicing through cope cage armor with ease, the Javelin attacks from above like an osprey diving for smelt. With so many Javelins attacking from all sides, the tanks panic, packing ever tighter. But this shoaling strategy makes it even easier for the Javelins. The Javelins work together, each taking on a Russian tank, until soon there are no more.